Wala bang speakers na lang?
May kinutuban, may unong ang iyang inundan. Ay, 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 merong sakitun man. Inisitang sa pagkaw, sa puso na butago. At ang tatabukin kalimutan. At kanya walay nagsitan. Sa masa na po kasi nalipay ay nadamahay. Pilimon si Pilimon, naliwin sa karagatan. Nakakuha ng isang tambasakan. Ibaligya, sabi ka nung ba? Ang halin puros pura, ito lang iba-tuba. May babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. May babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. May babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. Nakupo ng panty at babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. Nakupo ng panty ang babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. Nakupo ng panty ang babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. Itangang sa kirok ang panty nagimuko sa babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. Itangang sa kirok ang panty nagimuko sa babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. Itangang sa kirok ang panty nagimuko sa babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. Namatay ang tiro nga ng tangag sa panty nagimuko sa babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. Namatay ang tiro nga ng tangag sa panty nagimuko sa babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. Namatay ang tiro nga ng tangag sa panty nagimuko sa babaeng naligo sa ilalim sa tulay. Takok sa pulis ang babae na nagpupok magtangag.
Manny Pacquiao, si Juano Fox. I'm showing his number to you because he says a lot about Cebuano literature. He's singing the folk, Cebuano folk. and GT is just behind him. And if you notice, if you look at the survey of the list of Cebuano writers, beginning 1900s to 2000, these are like 90% or 95% men, and the women are behind. So, and it's only very recently, the last few decades, that the Cebuano women writing are coming out. So, this is the Cebuano language. The green part are spoken by majority of Mindanao and the Visayas, and those that are not green, and also Cebuano is also understood in those areas, even if they don't speak Cebuano. So that covers Cebu, Bohol, Siquijor, large parts of Mindanao. According to Dr. Alburo, it's a quarter of the Philippine population. Yeah, so the Cebuano's literary tradition is primarily male gaze, and the idea of tagay also. The longest existing organization is Bathalad ng Halad sa Dagat, and until around 2000, the membership was just male, and then I think that also inspired the creation of the women in literary arts, because there was no group for women writers in Cebu at the time. And it also has the membership is also inclusive lang sa mga sumusulat ng Cebuano, works in Cebuano. Okay. So we have names like Vicente Soto, considered the father of Cebuano letters. We have names like Juan Villagonzalo, Aldarico Alviola, Angel Enemesio, Flaviano Buquecosa, Sulpicio Osorio, Nicolas Rapos. Look at the names, all males. And then we have Vicente Ranudo, okay, whose metrical precision and balance structure influenced a good number of writers after him, like Armando Osorio, Scholastic More, Tomas Baggio, Pantaleon Cardenas, and Vicente Padriga and others. The center of this group was the prolific Aglipayan Bishop Fernando Buicer, who invented the sonnet form called Sunanay. Another invention was the Siniloy of Diosdado Alesna, which is made up of one or two amphibra lines. This is by him. Then there's Marcel Navarra, considered the father of the modern Cebuano short stories. This was his stories were collected by Professor Maceta, and with a translation. So the last few decades, Dr. Alburo, Vicente Bandillo, Simeon Dulce Jr., and Russell Muharas did an excellent job in gathering all these works, surveying all these works. The first edition of Cebuanong Balak is until 1940, right? Before 1940, and then the second release was 1908 until 1988. And Ateneo Press also released Cebuanong Sugilano. One of the stories here in Sugilanong Cebuano was made into a movie, Pagdamgo ni Eleuteria. It's part here. And then recently, Ma'am Merly Aluna released Atong Dila. So what are the groups of Cebuano writers? There's Bathalad. Vicente Bandillo, who to this day continues to write. In fact, he left altogether his writings in English and began writing Butch Bandillo.
It says Bandido there.
Sorry.
Bandillo, Bandido.
Naantok Bandillo. Sorry, Butch. Yeah, he's now ambassador, Philippine ambassador to Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Maldives. Tatlo ang areas. Then there's Dr. Estela Afer, no, who also wrote in Cebuano. And there's Urias Almagro, and of course, Themistocles Adlawan.
Yeah, to pass through.
Yeah, passed away.